Question 24. An ionic chloride of element Z has the formula ZCl. When ZCl is added to water and swirled, a colored solution appears. The formula of the colored solution is ZCl2. The diagram shows a part of the periodic table which element identifies element Z. So let's solve this question sentence by sentence. The first sentence states that an ionic chloride of element Z has the formula ZCl. So for ZCl to be ionic, Z has to be a metal because chlorine is the non-metal in this case. And we know that ionic compounds are formed when there is an electron transfer from a metal element to a non-metal element. We can eliminate D as the answer because D is part of group 7, which is a non-metal. A is going to be rubidium, the fourth element down group 1. B is going to be a transition element, in this case copper, and C will be aluminium, which is the second element in group 3. The second statement states that when ZCl is added to water and swirled, a colored solution appears. The formula of the colored solution is ZCl2. This statement tells us that we can eliminate A as the answer because element A is a group 1 metal and can only form a +1 charge of its ion. In ZCl2, Z must have had a charge of 2+, and it is impossible for group 1 elements to have an ion of 2+ charge because group 1 elements have only one valence electron in the outermost shell, and they will tend to lose that one very easily, giving them a +1 charge of the ion. Statement 2 also tells us that a colored solution appears and the ion of Z adopts a charge of 2+ now compared to the initial charge of plus, because in ZCl, the charge of Z must have been +1. This statement tells us that, first of all, Z can exhibit different oxidation states and 2 compounds of Z, in this case ZCl2, is colored. These are traits of transition metals, and out of options B and C, only B is the transition metal. C is an aluminium element and will not form colored solution or exhibit variable oxidation states of aluminium plus or aluminium 2+. Therefore, B will be the most suitable answer for this question.